Imagine stepping outside on a regular Tuesday morning, sipping your coffee, and above you, stretching from horizon to horizon, is a gigantic glowing ring. Nope, you didn't accidentally teleport to Saturn. This is Earth, just with a bit more bling. If Earth had rings like Saturn, wide, shimmering bands made of ice and rock, our entire life would be flipped upside down, but in a cool, Instagram worthy way. First of all, those rings wouldn't be just some distant decoration in the sky. If you lived near the equator, you'd see them arching high above your head like giant celestial highways. They'd glow softly at night, reflect sunlight during the day, and pretty much ruin any horror movie jump scare ever again. Spooky darkness, sorry. Ring light mode, always on. But if you lived closer to the poles, tough luck. The rings would be nearly invisible. Maybe a faint glow on the horizon at best. People would start moving just to get that ring front view. Real estate ads would scream, panoramic ring exposure, limited time only. Culturally, we'd go all in. Wedding photos under the rings, school plays called The Tale of the Shiny Sky Noodles. National flags would get redesigns with rings slapped across them, and every kid would draw Earth with giant circles around it, and teachers would finally stop correcting them. But of course, not everything would be sparkles and poetry. Let's talk tech. Satellites, gone. GPS, lost. Your Uber Eats delivery, still stuck in space. The rings would be filled with fast moving debris, and launching rockets through that icy obstacle course would be like playing darts blindfolded while being chased by bees. Elon Musk, he's not going to Mars. He's dodging ring particles like it's space invaders. And then there's climate. Yep, even Mother Nature can't chill when Earth gets accessories. The rings would cast shadows across different regions, depending on the season and your location. Some places would cool down, others might bake under redirected sunlight. The weather would be the ultimate chaos simulator. One half of your farm would grow pineapples, the other, frostbite. And don't even get me started on astronomy. Stargazing would be ruined in ring heavy zones. But hey, who needs distant stars when you've got giant glitter strips above your face 24/7? Of course, governments would try to use them. Some genius would suggest bouncing lasers off the rings. Suddenly, the Earth has a natural defense system. It sounds smart until someone accidentally blinds Australia, and naturally, the internet would break. Conspiracy theorists would yell that the rings were built by aliens, or that NASA added them in post. TikTok would be flooded with videos like, I slept under the rings for 7 days, here's what happened, and flat earthers, they'd go into full meltdown. How can a flat earth have round rings? But here's the real twist. What if Earth does have rings, but we just can't see them? Dramatic music intensifies. Okay, okay, probably not. But still, having rings would make Earth the diva of the solar system. Beautiful, complicated, and a little bit chaotic. So next time you wish the sky was more exciting, just be careful what you wish for, because with rings comes beauty and a whole lot of cosmic drama.